Hi everyone, David Mitchell from Bayview Renovations, and it's the end of week 1 of our Haydens Road project in Beaumaris. There's been a lot of carpentry done this week, so at the moment you're looking at the powder room, so it's the downstairs bathroom for the premises. There's actually 3 bathrooms, a laundry and some modifications to be done to this home. So you can see here there's been back blocking installed in this wall for the towel rails. On the back wall there under the window, there's a really big lintel, and that's to hold the weight so that we can put an in-wall cistern in the wall there for the new toilet. That'll look fantastic, tucked back in behind the wall. And then on the left of that, we've got a 900mm shaving cabinet going in with a mirror going across the wall. On the right-hand side here, we've modified the floor joists so that there's a stepless shower that goes to a strip grate here. So the joists underneath that floorboard there are all modified, and then you'll see that the new framing here, which allows for the large niche in the shower for all your shower bottles and so forth, and then back blocking for your mixer and your shower head and so forth, has been installed as well. So we basically reframed that whole wall there and then modified any joists and things like that required. So that's pretty much all we've done in the powder room there. This room is now ready for plumbers and electricians on Monday. So if we move on through, you can see all of the ram board that we've put down and plastic and everything on all of the kitchen cupboards and hallways and timber flooring. It's really beautiful timber flooring. That's to protect, obviously, the existing house. So this is the laundry. It's all been removed, and we removed the plasterboard behind the laundry cupboard here as well, just to access for, as I said, plumbing and electrical on Monday. These water points will get moved slightly. These will get deleted. Everything gets hidden underneath the bench top. There'll be a sink in that corner and a tool cupboard on the left here. So once plumbing and electrical is done, the plastering will go back in, we'll waterproof and get ready for cabinetry. So if we walk on through upstairs, and looking again as we go through, you can see the amount of detail we go for protection of all of your flooring and everything like that. This is even 1 week into the build, and you can see the protective coatings on everything, on the handrail and on all of the stairs going up the stairs. So, you know, we really make sure that the client's house is completely looked after. So this here, up here, is the main bedroom, bathroom, and you're looking here straight away at the shower. So a really big shower going across that whole end wall there. So you can see the strip grate there for the shower. That will be where the water will fall to. And then we've modified the wall here. So there's a huge niche in the back wall. That's going to look fantastic. So the boys will put, you know, lintels up across the top. This wall on the right hand side of the shower is modified as well, and I'll go into more detail about that because that's to do with the ensuite bathroom, which is on the other side of this room. On the left hand side here, this is where the bath will go. So the bath used to be tucked into that corner. We've moved it back this way a bit, and it's going to sit directly underneath that niche. So that's a niche there for the bath. And then you can see modifications to the wall with the big timber lintels up top to take the weight. And then across this side, that wall there next to the door has been modified to also allow for an in-wall cistern for the toilet. So the toilet will sit inside the wall. They look really good, and it's behind the door as well. So on this side, just a minor modification to this wall here. We just shortened the wall by 35mm to suit an 1800mm vanity. And then obviously we've back blocked for the off-the-wall mixers and spouts. So that's really all that's been done in here, other than, you know, back blocking for towel rails and things like that. So if we move on through, and again, seeing that everything is 100% protected, the bed's protected, everything's really well protected. It's really beautiful carpet underneath. So for the client's peace of mind, it's really important. So this here, that big hole in the wall there, you look here now, where we're looking from the other side just a minute ago, that's where the big new shaving cabinet will go. It's an 1800mm 3-door mirror shaving cabinet. It's custom made. It's 1 meter high. And then underneath that, we've got a 2 meter long wall hung vanity. It's going to be really beautiful. Everything's Carrara, based tiles and stone and things like that. We've actually modified that wall there to allow for the in-wall cistern again for the toilet. So that'll look really good. And then the guys have blocked out between the posi trusses. So it's the way this house is built to allow for fall in the shower, really big shower. And then very clever carpentry by the guys to put a really big niche in the wall there. Basically that will just run right through. You'll see when it's finished what I mean. They look really good the way we do it. And then, obviously back blocking for our mixers and stuff has been installed as well. So on the back wall here, you can see there's 2 rows of timber, and they're for tower rails. So we never just fix tower rails straight to tiles, always everything into timber. So it's really solid, really well done. Nothing worse than a loose tower rail over time. So that's the basics of what we've done this week. So on Monday, the plumbers are in. They'll rough in all of the waste pipes and water supply points. The electricians will be in. They'll run all their wiring, change everything, put all the fans and heat lights and LED strip light wires and all of everything that you can think of that has to go in behind the plaster. Then the carpenters will be back in. They'll finish all the floors. They'll put tile underlay down everywhere, straighten all the walls so they're perfect, and then we'll be ready for plaster on Thursday next week. So being the end of just week 1, it's a real credit to the guys. They've done a great job this week. So yeah, keep you posted next week. Thanks for watching.